Hey everyone, Mary Kamara here on this exquisitely beautiful day. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a blessing. The water, the ocean in the background. Actually, that's the bay. But this is a really beautiful place. This is New College campus, and I'm just out here enjoying this gorgeous day walking. This is where I love to come and just walk through nature. It's just such a beautiful campus. So what I want to share with you today is that I am hosting, offering to you my Higher Love workshop. It's a complimentary workshop for you, designed to really help you to upgrade your love relationships to a higher love, as it's titled, Higher Love. So Higher Love workshop is not just for those of you who are in a relationship and are looking to upgrade your relationship. Maybe you've reached a growth plateau and you just really want to upgrade your relationship to a higher expression of love, more passion, more deeper level of trust, maybe more adventure, just more fulfilling relationships. So there's that. Then there are those who are in a relationship and maybe that relationship is really reached its completion, and you just really want some insight as to how to bring closure to it, and then how to step into the next level of you. Then there are those of you who are single and you want to know how to become a master of manifestation so that you can attract your vibrational match. And what does that mean, attracting your vibrational match? And are you a vibrational match? Are you a vibrational match for that partner that you want? And if not, how do you discover that within yourself? And then there are those of you who just want to step into a deeper level of self-love. And that is really something that is common for all of us, no matter where we are in our relationship status, that the deeper self-love is how we get to higher levels of love in our relationships with the people in our lives. So that's what this workshop is all about. It is an introductory workshop, but it is very powerful. You'll get some wonderful, beautiful tools that you can take home with you, and then you will learn also about the next level of work that I am offering that you can step into. So that's it, folks. Check the description above and be sure to sign up for the workshop. Enjoy this beautiful day no matter where in the world you are. You know, we are here. We are alive. No matter what's going on with the weather, it is a blessing to be here on this planet at this time, no matter what is going on. It's important to stay out of fear and to just be in the glory of everything. That's how we transform the energy. That's how we become alchemists. And this workshop that I am offering you is all about love alchemy, how to transform fear into love. And that is something that we all, whether we're looking for relationship, deeper level relationship work that we want to do, or whether we just want to do self-work, or we really want to step into our power. We want to learn how to shift out of fear and step into love. We want to know how to tap into that powerful, endless, ceaseless, eternal resource of divine power that we have, that flows within us, that allows us to transform the world around us. And how do we tap that, and how do we start to understand that that's true, that that's real, that really works, and how to use that? That's what this workshop is all about. So I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Have a magical rest of the day, and I'll also see you on my next video. If you appreciate this, please like, share, and if you're on YouTube, subscribe, and have a magical day. Bye-bye.